Good morning, everybody. I just want to take a couple minutes to show you what I've been reading the last few days. Hey Kiddo by Jarek, I don't know how to say his last name, Krasuska. It is a wonderful graphic novel. I haven't tried reading it on digital form at all, but I just love the pictures. What I also love is this kid has a dream. He has a dream to become an artist, and obviously he wrote this. So he does become an artist. Would probably fit into memoir. A few of you I know read it for nonfiction, but it would fit probably the memoir genre. Just loving it. I need to add it to my book log. Speaking of book logs, I'm very impressed with all of you that have completed your book or have been working on your book logs. It'll be a while before we complete them. So please keep updating your book logs. Also, please update your journals. What I've been reading has been a ton of fun. It's neat to see a lot of you doing a lot of cooking. Read somebody that did Zumba, a lot of you talking about snowmen outside, Google hanging out with your friends, and other things that you're doing to pass the time and to remain healthy during our time away from school. I also want to remind you that you do have a paragraph in the Google form to fill out. This is just a quick check. We really condensed our nonfiction unit. I needed to close it somehow, so it's a quick paragraph. If you need the anchor charts, they are posted on Classroom. I'm going to miss you guys. It's going to be a week before you see me again. And then once we get back, we'll be back and raring to go with memoirs. So I'm very excited to learn even more about all of you. So please make sure, number one, we have reading. Okay, and make sure that you are recording that in your book log. Number two, update your journals. Maybe a paragraph. Take a look at the samples that I have included. If you'd like to keep up those two things over break, go ahead, but it's not expected. And number three, fill out the Google form. It'll be kind of like just a check again, like last time, but also asking you to write a paragraph about your literary nonfiction at the end. Have a wonderful break. Stay safe. Get outside. Drink lots of water. And I'll see you in a little over a week.